Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kurdish lessons again. This is Gulay, your Kurdish Kurmanji teacher. Nave min Gulay. Ez ma mustaya waya zamane Kurdiya Kurmanji me. Kurdiya Kurmanji. In this video, I want to show you verbs and their conjugations. So in the previous videos, I have showed you many important verbs and the usage of those verbs in different tenses, but I didn't show you the full conjugation of those verbs, right? I just gave some examples. So in this video, we will more focus on how to conjugate verbs, both in present tense and in past tense. And meanwhile, I will try to explain you some sentence structure rules and ergativity and the usage of object and verb and whatever we need to know, okay, to conjugate the verb. So if you are ready, we will start. So here you will see a huge schema. So here I had prepared, this is one of my old notes. Yeah, and today we will, together we will work on these notes. So as you see, there are many verbs and there are examples, conjugation and rules. So after you watch this video, you may go to my website and find this note there. I will share a link below under the video, okay? So our first example, our first verb is vahwaren, okay? Vahwaren. So vahwaren is to drink, right? And you see, if you have some knowledge about Kurdish verbs, you will recognize that khwaren is our verb, which means to eat. Okay? So ve is a prefix, vahwaren. So you may remember for khwaren, the present stem is khawa, right? So when we say I am eating, I say تخم تدخي أو دخي أمبون أو دخم. But this verb, vahwaren, has a prefix ve, so you have to keep ve. Okay, so as vedkhum, to vedkhi, أو vedkhi, أمبون أو vedkhun. So this is present, right? And don't forget, in Kurmanji, we have only one present, which means both I am drinking and I drink. So it depends on context and it depends on adverb you use to it. So this is present conjugation. Vedkhum, vedkhi, vedkhi, vedkhum. So we have the. So when you see the, it can be present and it can be past continuous. Okay, but after you know the present stems, it's very easy to decide whether it's present or past. So for present, khawa is the stem. So here is this is present. And here there is an example with past tense. So min chayek vahwar. So our verb was vahwaran, right? And for past stem, you remove an, and vahwar is the stem of past. Okay, vahwar is the stem. Oops, vahwar. Okay, so I will make another one. So vahwar, and you may know, you have to know, learn this rule. In past tense, you conjugate your verb according to your object. This is what's called ergativity. You conjugate your verb for object, not for subject. Okay, so subject is not important in the past. Object is important. So here we saw that it is chayek, a cup of tea. In this case, you don't need to add anything to your verb. Okay? So if you have third person singular object, here like chayek, when tea eat, You don't need to add anything, okay? And here there's another example. Men say chai the khwar. So you see here we have the khwaran. We have un at the end. Un. So it means the object is plural. So as you see, it says say chai. Men say chai the khwar. So in the past, if your object is third person singular, you don't add anything. But if it is plural, you add un. Okay. Now we will try to say I drank. It's very stupid, but just for exercise. Okay? I drank you. So as you know, in the past, so بخارن is a transitive verb. You use من تاوي ويوان. من is a subject, and object is you. So من to, and as I said, the khwar is the past stem. The khwar, but I said we have to conjugate a verb for object, so you have to add e, because in present tense you say to the chi, to the hui, e. So e is the ending for second person, right? So min to the khwari. Okay. So this is our first verb. So the khwari. Now let's have a look at second verb. Fikrin is to think. Fikrin. And present stem is fikr. Fikr. Okay. In this case, it's a simple verb without any prefix like the khwar, no prefix. So as the fikr, to the fikri, أو the fikri, أم هون أو the fikrin. So you see, in present tense, first person takes as تتتنت to تتتنتي أو تتتنتي, and هون أو plural the fikrin, the fikrin, the fikrin. Okay. And here we have the imperative form. بفكرة. You men think. بفكرة. And for plural, بفكرة. Okay. بفكرة, بفكرة. So now, how would you say, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? To chill the fikri. To chill the fikri. So don't forget in Kurmanji, our WH questions are after subject. To chill the fikri. Okay? And now another word is kari. Karin is to buy, and present stem is kir. Okay, kir, present stem. So as the karam, of course, to the kari, أو the kare, أم هون أو the karin, أم هون أو the karin. Again, and here we have an example. As her sabah the chumdikane unen the karab. As her sabah the chumdikane unen the karab. So from this sentence, there are many things to learn. So first thing, we see adverbs are used after subject or before subject. So you can say her sabah as or as her sabah. So never use adverbs at the end. So you cannot say as the male her sabah. Maybe in speaking when you want to add something, but like in a proper sentence, you never see the adverb at the end. Use it around subject. As her sabah as, okay? It's important. And here, as you see, the kane is where I go. It's indirect object. It's the destination. So destinations always come after verb. Okay? So you always have to say as dichum male. I go home. I go home. It is destination, okay? So it is wrong to say as male. No, it's wrong. We never say as male, as dichum male, as dichum office, as dichum dekane, as dichum mirdine, as dichum bajarete, as dichum bunde bave khalete, etc. Okay? Never before destinations, okay? Other kind of objects are always before. As you see in the second part, name the crib by bread. So here bread is object, direct object, what I buy, it's before verb. Okay? As her sabah دچم دکانه و name the crib. I hope you understood the usage. It was cream to buy. And shandin is to send, shandin. So the present stem is shin. Okay? So as the shin, do the shini, أو the shine, أم كن أو the shinen. There is an example. Bave min, jibraye min re, peraya the shine. Bave min, my dad, jibraye min re, to my brother, for my brother, Parayan Deshine sends money. Okay? It is important verb shandan, to send. And now let's have a look at next verb. Question, of course, it's really important. Question is to want, and here we have the past conjugation. So host is the past stem, host. Oops. This one, past stem, host. I will write this way. All past stem. It's host. So min pertukak host. I wanted a book. So as I said before, our object is third person singular. So you don't need to add anything to your verb. It's a transitive verb as well. So in transitive, with transitive verbs, there is a rule called ergativity, okay? And for this rule, you conjugate verb for object, according to object, okay? In the second example, من قالك فرتوك خواستن. I wanted many books. So here we have, as an object, we have قالك فرتوك, many books. That's why we have an at the end. من قالك فرتوك خواستن. Okay. So we خانية خواست. He wanted a house. Again, one khani, so you don't need to add anything. We قالك خاني خواستن. He wanted many houses. So here, قالك خاني, it's خواستن. So if you are in the with past tense, if your object is plural, you have to add un the end of your verb. Okay, that's why we say من هوالن خديت. I saw my friends. من قالك برتوك كرين. I bought many books. من جلين خول كرن. I dressed up. كرن. Okay, because jila is plural. Okay. And the next verb is diten, to see. And past stem is deed. Past stem. Oops. Past stem is deed, okay? By the way, it means to find as well, okay? Fine. So, من أو the deed. Just in this example, we have continuous tense, past continuous, okay? When we say I was in the past, or I used to okay? So من أو the deed. So did is past, and when you have the with past stem, it means it is continuous. So if you say من أو did, it can mean I used to see it, him or her. It's not clear because أو can be any of these. Or I was seeing it, him, her. Okay. So important thing, when you use the with past stem, it is continuous, okay? And the same ergativity rule is applied here as well. That's why من أو did, but here من أو didn't, because I want to say them plural object, plural object, okay? أو did, you used to see it, him or her. As I said, it's not clear from the sentence. تعود the didn't, you used to see them. It's them because I see on here. Okay, it's very important. And zanin. Zanin is to know, and present stem is zan. Present stem. Okay, zan. As the zanem negative as nizani. To the zani, to النزاني أو دزاني أو نزاني. أم هون أو دزانن أم هون أو نزاني. Okay, so learn this sentence as nizani. I don't know. As nizani, as nizani, as nizani. And as I said you, objects will be forward. So as naveta nizani. I don't know your name. I don't know your name. Okay, as ناويت النزانم. To ناوي من. To ناوي من دزاني. Do you know my name? To ناوي من دزاني. As ناويت النزانم. To ناوي من دزاني. Okay. And here another verb is to remember. Hatten bira tatatatat. Okay, so in present, te biraman, I remember. Te birate, you remember. Te birawe, te birawi, he or she remembers. Te birame, we remember. Te birawe, you guys remember. Te birawan, they remember. And if you want to say, I don't remember, naye biraman. Naye biraman. I don't remember. Okay, I don't remember. It should be. Te biraman, naye biraman. I remember, I don't remember. Yeah, so now have a look. Yeah. So raketten is the next word. Raketten. Raketten. It's a compound word because you see there is a ra. We know the word ketten, which means to fall down. So in future, you will say as a rakeva. For you, tuye rakevi, you will sleep. You are going to sleep. Awe rakeve, he or she is going to sleep, or he or she will sleep. Am hun awe rakevin. We, you, they are going to sleep. As a rakevin, we rakevi, awe rakeve, am hun awe rakevin. Okay? And fanden, it's to read. Fund is the past stem. Let me write it down. Past stem. So, min fandiya is perfect, present perfect. I have read min fandiya. تخوندية, you have read. We were خوندية. ما were خوندية. So if I say تأفرتوك خوندية, have you read this book? تأفرتوك خوندية. أري من أفكرتوك خوندية. Yes, I have read this book. Na من أفكرتوك نخوندية. Na من أفكرتوك نخوندية. No, I haven't read this book. So خوندي, and it's perfect. And now another verb is كلامدن. كلامدن. And for present, the stem is present is كلين. Okay, present stem is كلين. So the verb is كلامدن, but present stem is كلين. So as هيكان دكلينم, I am boiling eggs. To هيكان دكليني, you are boiling eggs. أو هيكان دكليني, أم هون أو هيكان دكلين. دكلين, دكليني, دكليني, دكليني. And there is another word, kalandan, which means to fry. And present stem is qalin. Qalin, okay? Oops. Present stem is qalin. So as هيكان دقلين, to هيكان دقليني, أو هيكان دقليني, أم هون أو هيكان دقلين. دقلين, دقليني, دقليني, دقلين. Okay. Okay, now next part. So the other example, the other verb is ravekran, to explain. As ravedik. So if you see any verb with kran here, so you don't need to change this part, okay? So you will conjugate here. You will conjugate kran. Ravedikam, ravediki, ravedike, ravedikan. And negative as ravenakam, to ravenaki, أو ravenake, أم هون أو ravenaka. So here we have an example. To تخرج من الرغبة. To تخرج من الرغبة. Can you explain to me? To تخرج من الرغبة. Okay. And here مرن is to die. Die. This one is as the مرن. So مر is the present stem as you see from here. As the مرن to the مري أو the مري أم أو the مرن. So let's learn imperative form. بمرة die. You bad man die. بمرة. And plural بمرن. He die. And negative will be نمرة. Don't die. نمرة for one person. نمرن. You guys don't die. نمرن. نمرة. نمرة. Okay. And shoppanden is to follow. Present system is shopping, as you see from conjugation. Shopping. So as the shopping, to the shopping, أو the shopping, أم هون أو the shopping. Okay, the shopping, the shopping, the shopping, the shopping. And if you want to say follow us, you can say ما بشوبينن, like plural. Follow us, like you guys follow us. ما بشوبينن. And if you want to say follow me, من بشوبينن, follow me. It's for one person, okay? من بشوبينن. Oh, and another verb is erişkeren. So as eriştikum to eriştiki أو eriştike, أم هون أو eriştike. To attack. Erişkeren. Let me see. And here we have machkaran, to kiss. So as I said, one present tense in Kurmanji is equal to two tense in English. So as much to come can be I'm kissing or I kiss. In the past, min machkar, ta machkar. Min to machkari, I kissed you. Min to machkari, ta as machkaram, you kissed me. That is machkar. We have another example. As duhazim ta machkar, I want to kiss you. As duhazim ta machkar. Another good choice here. Yeah, as duhazim ta machkar. And goten is to say, past stem is got. So basically you say min got, ta got, we got, we got, ta 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 ta. Okay? Yes, or chi got, min shtara got, I told you, or what did you say, min shtara got. And the same word, present stem is beige. Beige, right? So beige is the present stem. Beige. As division to division أو division أم هون أو division. Tuchi division. What can you say? Tuchi division. Okay. And another word is so dain or dan. Both are used, but dan is better because you will see dan in dictionaries. So present stem is only the one letter. As the dim to the d أو the day أم هون أو the din. As the dim to the d أو the day أم هون أو the din. Okay. Let me see the next. So yeah, it's same verb, just in the past. Milda, tada, weda, vida, meda, weda, wanda. Okay. Another verb is dubare, current to repeat. So present as dubare to come to dubare ki, or dubare ke, amkun, or dubare to come. So pishtimin, dubare bukan. Repeat after me. Pishtimin, dubare bukan. Okay? Here we have some examples. So, ki ve denvise. Who writes this or who is writing this? Ki ve denvise. And in the past, it will be ke avnvisan. Who wrote this? In the future, kiye ve benvise. Kiye ve benvise. Who will write this? Who is going to write this? Ke avnvisan. Who has written this? Ke avnvisan. So it's just in different tenses asking question with same word. Okay? And another word is farin, which means to fly. As you see, the stem is far. As the from to the free, or the free, and out the from. An imperative form, as you see, it's always with verb, and then you put stem, and then ending. Singular, and singular is a, and plural is an. So bufra, bufra. Bufra, bufra. Farin, flat. Okay? So man is to stay or to remain. Present stem is min. Deminum, demini, demine, deminin. And in the past, so man, so ma is the past stem. As mam, to mahi, el ma, em hun el man. As mam, to mahi, el ma, em hun el ma. Now let's compare present and past. So same word, man, okay? Deminum as mam. To demini, to mahi. Past present. Au demine, au ma. Am hun au deminen, am hun au man. Okay? It's the comparison of present and past. And here, so captain is to fall or to enter. Present stem is kept, kept. The Kevin, the Kavi, the Kave, the Kevin, the Kevin. Okay? As the Kevin, the Kavi, or the Kave, and or the Kevin. And the next word is perceive, to ask. So purse is the present stem, purse. So you know when you see a present form, like the person, it's easy to find present stem because the is always prefix the, and is always ending. So what remains is your stem. You see, so here you remove the, e is for you, so purse is the stem. As the person, to the perse, or the perse, and on or the person. The person, ask. The person, and plural, the person. Okay. Next one. So arbeiten, so throw away. So past stem is arbeit. من arbeit, arbeit, we arbeit. ما, where, one, arbeit. So here, arbeiten is a transitive verb. So I wrote arbeit, 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 arbeit for all pronouns. So I thought about a singular object. But if you had different objects, conjugation would be arbeti, arbeten, arbetum. Okay, it could change. Now, again, some questions. So, chidike, who does what? Who is doing what? Chidike. Past, ke çıkar, ke çıkar. Ke çıdıkır. So, ki çıdıke, ki çıdıke, ke çıkar, ke çıdıkır. Okay. And we discussed the same verb just a little, like a while ago, shanden. And but we did present tense, right? So for past, shand is past stem. Mentioned for one thing. Menshanden if you sent many things. So it's important. Menshandiye, menshandene. Menshandebu, menshandebun. Okay? So it's past perfect, present perfect, simple past. Hapanden, to cheat, to deceive someone. So here we have different pronouns as objects. So that's why men, I, tu hapandi. Te, as, hapandi. So here you have to be careful because to is object and e is the ending. We say to the chi, to the hui in present. So in past we translate verb. It is the same because object is important. Here, te, as hapandım, you deceived me. You see, is for as. We hapandın, ve hun hapandın, she deceived you, plural. Ma ev hapan, so it is ev and nothing here. So it's him, her. Whereas happened, you deceived me, you guys, you deceived me, you cheated me. One happened, they deceived them. One happened. Okay. And here is a list of verbs. It says runishten, to see, gene, to leave, mayin or man, they're the same. To stay, bekeren, to open, virten, to close, guhdarikeren, to listen, bihisten, to hear, neirin, to look, chekeren, to make, keren, to do, lehevia kisekinin, to wait for someone, somebody. And here there is wandabu, to be lost, to get lost. As wandabum, to wandabui, and wandabu, and wandabu. So learn how we conjugate boom in the past. It's very useful. boom, buli, bu, bun. So with one double, it means to be lost, but boom by itself, it is to be, to become. So you can say as nahosh boom, I was ill. Nebash boom, we weren't good. Okay? So dakhstan is to download. In the past, with past tense, من داخست, من pertukek dakhst, من قلك pertuk dakhstan. I downloaded many books. من قلك pertuk dakhst. تداخست, we dakhst, one dakhst. So if object is the same, the word doesn't change. Okay? It's past because. So alikari dan yeki. Alikari dan yeki, to help someone. Min alikari date, te alikari damen, we alikari dawe, we alikari dawi. Me we wan alikari date. Alikari dan yeki. So again, here there are some verbs. Buin, so bun or buin, they are the same. Hatten, chun or chuin, they are same. Anin, birin, fasten, fanden, nivisanen, diten, achaten, gurten, murin, pushten. So paving, as the pavim, to the pavi, out the pavi, and kun out the pavin. We are speaking. Diten, to see, present stem is been, as the benim, as the come benim, I'm about to see, as a benim, I will see, as a benim, I'm not going to see, I won't see. Colon or calling, call is the present stem, as the column, the colli, out the colle, and on out the colon, as the column, to the colli, out the colle, and on out the colon. We are digging, you are digging, he is, she is digging. So shkanden is to break. Shkin is the present stem. So as the shkinem to the shkini, out the shkine, and out the shkinen. And past stem is shkand. Min shkand, teshkand, wishkand, wishkand. And perfect, min shkande, teshkande, wishkande, wishkand. So you see, you have to learn present and past stem in any case. So for present, unfortunately, no rule, but for past, there is a stem, so you may have a look at my previous videos before the shoot. And done, we did in the past, and in present, the dim, the day, the day, the dim, the day. And the dim to the day, or the day, and ajoten to drive, it's continuous. Min the ajot, I was driving. Te the ajot, you were driving. Me, we were dajot. Okay? Spaskaren to thing. Spasticum, spastiki, spastike, spasticum, spasticum. Spastic. I think. And I think the last part, yeah. So hatten, you see, you know it's to come as hatem, to hati, or hat, and out. And zu as an adverb, it means quickly or early. So you can say zuhati, zuhati, or zuhat, ampon, or zuhat. Okay? Runishten is to sit, it's a compound word. That's why it's a little bit confusing. As rudenem, to rudeni, or rudene, ampon, or rudenen. An imperative form, runa, sit down, runa, sit down. Runen, plural, sit down. Okay? And garin is to travel, to chill around, okay? The garam, the gari, the gari, the garam. As harouj levandera the garam. I chill around here every day. As harouj levandera the garam. Okay? And the last word is hin bun, to learn. Hini tishteki bun, to learn something. So as hin the boom I was learning, to hindbui, you were learning, or hindbu, she, he, or it was learning. Okay. Yes, I think that's all. So as I said, I will add this document as a PDF file to our website, and you will be able to see all these conjugations. Okay, so I hope you found it helpful. Let me, yeah. So if you have any questions, please let me know from commentaries. Okay, again, have a nice day, and hopefully we will meet again in new videos. Bye bye.